Hi guys, welcome to Hostrare. Today I am going to show you a very important tools. Actually I am explaining you a very important tools of your cPanel. For developer, you are using these tools randomly. See, if you search in your cPanel, there is multi PHP Manager. It's a very common tool to manage multiple PHP versions in your project. Let's see inside it. Multi PHP Manager. Inside this manager, you can see I have 5 domains and subdomains. 4 of them are subdomain and one is main domain. That is hostware.com is my main domain. Blog.hostware.com is my subdomain. As I have 5 subdomain, 4 subdomain and 1 domain, I can control my PHP versions for different domain in a different way. Say, if I want to change my blog.hostware.com's PHP versions, just need to select check mark here in left side, and at the top right corner you'll find the drop down menu where you'll find the available PHP versions. If I want to use PHP 7.3, then click on it, select it and just apply. See, my PHP version is changed for blog.hostware.com. That is PHP 7.3. But today I am going to show you how these PHP versions have come. If you have WHM, you may see some very important tools that is called easyapache. This is easyapache of my WHM panel. How I come here? Let's see. I'm going to home sections, the home dashboard of my WHM. And if I search in my left search box, that is easyapache, easyapache. Then I got the things easyapache inside software navigation panel. Click on it. This is easyapache. I'm not explaining all the things. I'm just explaining the PHP versions inside your easyapache. You see in your PHP multi-PHP manager, beside the PHP version, there is a things EA PHP 5.6. This EA means Easy Apache. It's a package of cPanel which can control your PHP version from cPanel. See, inside my cPanel under multi-PHP manager, I have PHP version from PHP 5.4 to PHP 7.3. But inside my WHM, if I go to Easy Apache 4 and in right box you see there is a section called currently installed packages. If I go to customize, there are few lots of things inside it. But today I'm just going to explaining about PHP versions. So go to PHP versions. You see there is all available PHP versions. Some of them are installed and some of them are not installed. You see PHP 5.4 to PHP 7.3 all are installed, but PHP 7.4 is not installed in my server. That's why I cannot see the PHP 7.4 in here, but it is already available in my WHM inside the Easy Apache. So I'm going to show you how to enable this PHP 7.4 in my cPanel. At the right section, you will find a toggle. I'm just going to on this toggle. You see, there is a instruction. When you install PHP version, I mean new PHP version, you need some default extension enabled. So that's why these two buttons come here. Two buttons come here. There is PHP 7.4 and extensions. Another button is PHP 7.4 only. You can do both. You can install PHP 7.4 with all default required extensions or only PHP 7.2 version. But it is not recommended to install without extension. So thing is that you have to install with extensions. So I'm going to click on it and it is enabled. Then click next. It's checking the extensions what I have assigned inside my default extension. I'm not going to explaining about Ruby Web Passenger. It's a different things. I'll show you in your next video. Then next, this additional package inside your PHP version. I'm not going to explain, just skip it and next. But because it is not required for your PHP version currently, then I'm come here for review. The thing is that when I try to install PHP 7.4, these extensions are also installed with it automatically. It's default extensions and this is my version. Then just provision it. It will take some time install and provision the new PHP version inside my multi-PHP Manager controlled by easyapache 4. Say provision process finished. Done. Let's go to my cPanel. Go inside multi-PHP Manager. Just click on it and at right corner. Great. I got the PHP 7.4 inside my cPanel now. So if I want to manage my application using PHP 7.4, I can handle it easily with my cPanel server. For example, if I want to change my blog.hostrare.com version to 7.4, just check in left checkbox and in right drop down, click 7.4, then click apply. See, my PHP version changed for blog.hostrare.com. I hope you understand what I've explained. It's very important things to manage your PHP versions easily. Early days it's controlled by your SSH access. That means you have to do these things in command line. But this Easy Apache makes our life easier, especially developers' life easier to manage PHP versions. It will help you a lot to manage PHP versions and install new PHP versions inside your Easy Apache to get it inside your cPanel. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Goodbye.